Hey guys, it's Philip here, coming at you with the bike check. For my frame, I got a Fit Van Homan 3, 21-inch top tube. It's pretty sick, I like it. The Fiend Team headset. I don't know if you can see it. Oh well, it says Fiend right there. A Stolen Bikes top load stem. Cold Sec V2 forks. S&M Perfect 10s uncut. Colt Vans grips are shitty. Don't buy them. ODI alloy bar ends. Old Demolition Revolt cranks. Stolen Thermalite pedals. They're pretty good, I guess. Some random bike seat post, whatever. Shadow Simone tie-dye seat. Volume Vader tires, both front and back, 2.4. Pretty dope, I recommend them highly. Shadow Raptor front hub laced to a Shadow Stun with a Shadow hub guard. And then two Shadow Little Ones pegs. Shadow Raptor in the back, cassette, sadly, with obviously two hub guards, 4 pegs, same as front. I'm not riding a chain or a sprocket because it snapped. It's a pretty dialed bike. Thanks for watching.